So for part B of question 10, we now want to state the maximum height of the passenger above the ground. So typically when it's only one mark and it says state, the answer should be quite obvious. So it shouldn't take a lot of working for us to figure this out. If we want the maximum height of the passenger above the ground, then we've done most of the work here in finding an expression for h in terms of t. And if I just zoom in here, so we have a look at what's in the exponent here, we have 0.1 sine of 0.25t. We are trying to maximize h. So we're trying to make h as big as possible. So then we have to look at how we can maximize our e to the power of 0.1 sine of 0.25t. So we want to make that as big as possible. So then that leads to us wanting to make this power here, 0.1 sine of 0.25t, as big as possible. So we want to maximize it. Sine of 0.25t, the maximum value of that is 1. So the maximum value of sine of anything is 1, and the minimum would be -1. So if we can maximize the exponent here, then we maximize h. But the maximum value that the sine expression here can take is 1. Therefore, h max has to be 5e to the power of 0.1. And in fact, we should write that here because that is the answer for part